What's going on, mid-market family? In today's video, I have around a $1 penny stock play that has a statistic at around 500%. This is super interesting. We're going to go through this play, the chart. Make sure you stay to the end. I'll go to through the chart towards the end of the video. It just recently had a 300% run, and it's starting to consolidate right now, where I believe this does have a chance in the market environment we're in right now to have a really big pop. Guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. You always have to do your own research. Penny stocks are not long-term holds. These are trades, not investments for me. Holding VOO is something that I hold. I buy and hold VOO and hold it forever. But penny stocks do give me an opportunity to basically get significantly more returns percentage-wise in a much shorter period of time rather than larger cap stocks, which is why I personally do decide to trade penny stocks. But let's go over this $1 stock in today's video. And it has 514% cost to borrow. I'm about to mention the ticker in just a moment. But guys, make sure you hop yourself right into the private Discord where I alerted this morning. MOGO took MOGO at 8:21 a.m. and then gave a little bit of DD there, 8:24 a.m. on ticker MOGO. If we go to the MOGO chart here, you guys can see from that time where it was alerted. Remember, the timestamp was there, 8:21. The alert was right around here. And then I said dips and rips, and obviously I gave the DD, so right around here, ended up going 70%. That's a huge percent gain in a short period of time. Now, that's not guaranteed to happen with every single play. Past performance does not always guarantee future performance, but we have been killing it as of lately. I will have a loser every now and again, but use the link in the top pinned comment, the WAP link down below. Sign up. I'll open 10 spots for this video, and then I'm going to go ahead and close it out. So 514% cost to borrow in the stock, 514% here showing on Fintel, so those line up, and Ortex is showing a 717% cost to borrow on this stock, guys, which is a really, really high number. And basically the cost to borrow, also known as a stock loan fee or borrow fee, is the fee a short seller pays to borrow shares of a stock they intend to sell with the hope of buying them back at a lower price. This fee is primarily determined by supply and demand. The more investors want to short a stock, high demand, the higher the fee will be. So take that statistic for what you will, guys. I just wanted to bring that up to you in today's video. And the stock that we're talking about is ticker GITS, Global Interactive Technologies, a nice technology stock here. Technology stocks are extremely hot right now. Almost all the big runners of the day are tech-related stocks. MOGO here, this is a financial technology fintech stock. This was the biggest runner of the day, the biggest gainer of the day, and the biggest potential of the day on ticker MOGO. Talking about Robinhood within their PR. And now we have ticker GITS that I'm bringing you in today's video. It's at a $4.6 million market cap, 2.29 million float. You can see it hit the market here in 2023. It is a fairly clean play according to Dilution Tracker. For the most part, guys, this one, has not diluted very much. You can see that, really no dilution ever since it hit the market in 2023. They are low on cash, which is why I don't consider it a long-term hold. Pretty much any penny stock is not considered a long-term hold. But like I said, these type of plays you can see with, for example, MOGO. Recently we had BGLC covered on the channel. You guys can see that one went up really, really big. This one ended up soaring, absolutely soaring to $22. Gave a really nice over 100% opportunity there. These type of plays have really been going huge within the market environment we're in right now. And the most recent news that this company has put out is the company is now in compliance with NASDAQ listing requirements. Of course, we love to see that they don't have a risk of getting delisted according to NASDAQ here. And something to note about this ticker is Global Interactive Technologies was formerly Henru Holdings, and their ticker was HRYU, and then they changed their ticker to GITS. Because I do want to go over some of the PRs they put out when they were ticker HRYU. It was still the same company. They just wanted to rebrand a little bit to kind of, reflect the company's expansion into new markets. This change happened on December 5th, 2024. So, about 7 months ago, this happened. And I do want to mention that because I'm going to go over a few PRs that were put out, in the past year to kind of show what this company has done in the past. And, to show you guys that this company does release some pretty good PRs where if they were to do that, again, in the future here, it could cause a pretty big run in this type of play. So you can see here a PR from a little while ago. They had a revenue increase of at least 261% year over year. And you can see total contract value of $2.58 million with the goal of driving revenue and brand reach through mutual promotion, planning, advertising, and sales activity. You can see, they can expect at least 3.2 million revenues, 261% increase. You can talk about I think they're partnered with this Nature Republic, which is one of the largest Korean cosmetic companies out there with a wide reach. They're partnered with this company that did 106 million revenue very recently. They're in the United States. And Nature Republic, the company that they're partnered with here, you can see they have committed to establishing plans here. And they basically have 26.6 million users talking about the company that they are partnered with. So that can basically give them the intellectual property that they need and, plan to collaborate in the future to expand on their profitable ventures. Okay. That's in this PR. So some really nice keywords there. And also, this is a company that is artificial intelligence related, AI related. They put out a PR that they launched a personalized artificial intelligence system, DECGOM, and that happened, a little while back. What I like in this PR is something that happened with LCFY. And by the way, guys, I haven't even talked about LCFY. I mean, a lot of you guys have commented recently that I don't upload videos at the time you like them, but this video was uploaded during pre-market here. This ended up going, 300%. That was a huge runner. And again, guys, another play that I uploaded during the times that you guys are requesting was BMNR. And, this one was one of the biggest gainers on the channel in general, guys, just in general. You guys can just go back, watch the recent videos, watch, the video price to the high. They've been killing it 400% on this one. Like I said, that does not mean in the future it's going to happen again. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any of these stocks. My goal here is to present it to you. You guys do your own research. You guys decide what you want to do. And I'm basically just presenting interesting opportunities in this market. It's really simple as that. Some other, filings that they put out is Pixel Arc LLC holds 8.4% of this float here on GITS, and Evan Trust here owns 10%. Those were some recent filings. We look at the chart here for GITS. You can see that this was the low. It set a high here up at 313, and then right now, which is a bullish sign that it's setting a higher low. Okay, guys, so higher low is generally considered bullish, and there was a really nice picture of this. Yeah, here's a really nice picture of a higher low here, guys. We can go ahead and see here. This is a low. This is a higher high. This is a higher low. This is a higher high. This is a higher low. This is a higher high. Okay, you can see it's at the higher high, and then you can see right there it's setting a higher low. And also, there's a little bit of a double bottom kind of action coming here. It bounced here at 126, and today it seems to be bouncing right at 126. So a short term there, double bottom potential. And of course, if we look at the chart here and we look at the history of this one did have a huge run of 300% from where it was the previous trading day. May 29th, May 30th, it ended up hitting 388. So that's a huge move. And a very interesting play here, guys. Keep an eye on ticker GITS. Some high cost to borrow in this one. Not high short interest, high cost to borrow, which is actually even more interesting to me on a play like this, guys. Like I said, make sure you guys get in the private Discord. We had a huge runner today. MOGO that ended up going absolutely massive, guys. There's a link in the top pinned comment to join the private Discord. I want to see you in there. I'll open 10 spots for this video, and then I'll add it whenever I have the chance, but it might sell out quick, so try to get in as quickly as possible. We have a huge community here. We have many different analysts, options alerts. Mo is always up, in pre-market. Paul here is killing it. Top Trader, OXBR killing it. Gambino, You Sleep here is always killing it. Heart Rate Trader here is always killing it. You can see the XB breakout zone here is always killing it. Lux, and then tons of other options analysts here as well. A bunch of other options analysts to keep the options guys good. So get in the private Discord, guys. It's also an active community that I know you guys want an active community, and it's right here for you. Look, there's tons of people constantly talking. In the past minute, there was, like 10 messages in the past minute. So shout out to everybody that's active in here. Appreciate each and every single one of you, but I need you that's watching this video to get in the Discord now and join everybody here. Peace.